Prime Minister Narendra Modi today announced that senior BJP leader LK Advani will be conferred with the Bharat Ratna. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Commonwealth Legal Education Association Commonwealth Attorneys and Solicitors General Conference in New Delhi today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said it is great to see UPI being formally launched at the iconic Eiffel Tower at India's Republic Day celebration in Paris, France. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has said that today the country is witnessing a big change in the governance ecosystem. He was addressing the 7th convocation ceremony of Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi yesterday. In ICC Under-19 Men's World Cup cricket, India stormed into the semi-final defeating Nepal by 132 runs at the Manguang Oval in Bloemfontein, South Africa last night.